Huh. Hi for everyone, and today's topic is Kutaja, the Holarina antidysenterica, the drug which is used in case of a diarrhea. And based on him, what is the Kutaja word means is Kute vane pravrushi jayate iti. The Kutaja plant is the one which grows in the forest region and flowers during the rainy season. Like Kute vane, one which grows in the forest, pravrushi jayate iti, flowers or grows during the rainy season. And what is the botanical name? Holarina antidysenterica and belongs to the family Apocynaceae. And what are the local names or the vernacular names by which the Kutaja plant is called are? In Kannada it is called as a Kodasigana mara, in English it is called as a Kurchi, and in Hindi it is called as a Karchi. And what and all the Vargas the Acharya Charaka has been mentioned are Arshogna, Kandugna, Stanyashodhana and Asthapanopaka Mahakashaya. And what are the different kinds of a Gana? The Shushruta is mentioned are Aragvadadi, Pippalyadi, Haridradi, Bruhatyadi, Lakshadi. And synonyms, what are the different synonyms the Kutaja plant is having are Kutajaha Kutajaha Kauto Vatsaka Giri Mallika Kalingaha Shakrashaki cha Mallika Pushpa Ityapi Indro Yavalaha Prokto Vrukshakaha Pandura Drumaha, as mentioned in the Bhaprakasha Nigantu. So based on the habitat, the where it available, it is called as a Kalinga because Kalinga Desha availability, Vatsaka, Indra Vruksha and Shakrashaki. And based on the morphology, Vrukshaka, Pandura Druma, Pravrushenya, Giri Mallika, because the flowers of the Kutaja resembles the jasmine flower and it grows in the mountain region, that's why it is called as the Giri Mallika. And Mallika Pushpa, Yavafala, because the fruit of the Kutaja resembles the shape of Yava, Mahagandha. And based on the properties, it has a synonyms like Sangrahi, the one which obstructs or one which does the Shoshana, that is nothing but the helps for a stoppage of the dysentery or excessive bleeding. And Varatikta, base it is having the Tikta Rasa and it is. And types, what are the different types of this Kutaja plant is having? There are two types of a Kutaja plant are there. Those are Pung Kutaja and Sri Kutaja. That is the Charaka has been mentioned. Pung Kutaja is the Holarina antidysenterica, which is the main Kutaja plant variety which we are having, and Sri Kutaja is a Rhytia tomentosa. Usually it is used as the substitute or used as an adulterant for the Holarina antidysenterica. And habitat, that is Utpatti Sthana, wherein all it is available, commonly available throughout India, that more grows in the forest region. And what is the morphology, that botanical description of this Kutaja plant? Swarupa, the habit of this plant is, it is a vrukshaka, the small tree or a gulma, it is a shrub. And leaves, type of leaf is simple, arrangement is opposite and nature is ramal or quilline, and shape of the leaf is elliptic or oblong. Apex is acute and margin is entire. And inflorescence, the Kutaja plant has the white flowers which are inflorescence is like Corimbos cyme inflorescence, and flowers are actinomorphic, bisexual and complete flowers will be there having a white color, and numerous flowers will be there and slightly fragrant. And fruit is a type of fruit is follicle and having the shape of cylindrical and length is 20 to 40 centimeter long, and each follicle encloses the many seeds. During the beginning of the fruit growing, there will be a small two follicles are added to each other. As they grow, they will separate and forms a two follicles, and which are encloses the numerous seeds. And phytoconstituents, what are the important phytoconstituents the Kutaja plant is possessing are: the stem bark contains conicine, conicidine, conamine, curcine, curcamine, curcirmine, curcamide, curcicin and curcinine are the different kinds of phytoconstituents the Kutaja stem bark contains. And what is the gunakarma of this Kutaja plant? Kutajaha katuko ruksho deepanastuvaro himaha arsho atisaro pittasra kafa trushna ama kushtanut. So Kutaja plant rasapanchaka are Tikta Kashaya Rasa, Lagu Ruksha Guna, Katuvipaka Shita Virya, Dosha Karma is Kapha Pitta Shamaka. And action is in Agradravya concept, that is Charaka Sutrasthana 25th chapter, Charaka has been mentioned that Kutaja is Agraushadhi for कुटजत्वक श्लेष्मपित्त रक्तसंग्राहिक उपशोषणानां श्रेष्ठम. It does the raktasangrahana karma. It stops the bleeding, excessive bleeding, and upashoshana, it does the shoshana of the shleshma pitta. This is shreshta aushadhi for the respective karma. And kutajaha katuko ruksho, having the katurasa ruksha guna, deepanastuvaro himaha, it does the agni deepana karma. It has the agni deepana karma indicated in arsha, that is the bleeding piles, atisara, the diarrhea or a dysentery for the stoppage, that is particularly for pakvatisara, not for amatisara. Pittasra kapha trushna ama kushtanuti. In case of ama and kushta, this the kutaja plant is indicated. And what are the karma and rogagnata of this kutaja plant? It has a stambhana karma, so indicated in atisara, raktarshas, and has a deepana karma, so indicated in agnimandya, has a pachana karma indicated in ama, kushtagna karma indicated in kushta, kandugna karma indicated in kandu, arshogna karma indicated in raktarsha, raktatisaragna indicated in raktatisara. And what are the amayuka prayoga, that is therapeutic uses of this kutaja plant? In case of atisara, because of the main action is stambhana indicated in atisara or dysentery, so first we have to mention the main karma. So atisara, in case of atisara, kvata prepared from the kandatvak of the kutaja mixed with the madhu will administer to the patient, will definitely cures the atisara. And in case of raktatisara, one should consume the gruta processed with a kutaja and a barley, that followed by the intake of a liquid gruel for maintaining the agni. Because of the atisara, there will be a hamper of agni and lack of a digestive capacity of the body. That's why we need to follow the gruel and mandapeya vilepi we have to administer for the patient. And raktasha, as the kutaja plant having the rakta sangrahana karma, the kvata prepared from the kutaja and nagara, that is nothing but the shunti, will checks the bleeding pulse, which stops the bleeding and cures the raktarshas. And in case of a kushta and tvak vikara, as it having the kushtagna karma, that is one kutaja surya pakitaila is there, which is indicated in a psoriasis, which has to be applied all over the body, will cure the psoriasis. And in case of kushta or any kind of a tvak vikara, lepa prepared from, that is application, external application prepared from the lodra, dhataki, kutaja, karanja and jati has to be applied over the affected part, will cure the kushta. And what is the dose of this different formulation of the kutaja? In case of we are administering the churna, 3 to 6 gram has to be administered. In case of a kvata, 50 to 100 ml we can administer. In case of a swarasa, 5 to 10 ml we need to administer. And what are the Vishishta yogas? The formulations of this kutaja are, like for example, kutajarishta, kutaja ghanavati, kutajavaleha, tiktaka gruta, mahatiktaka gruta and pushanuga churna. And as we are seeing, the Vishishta yogas are tiktaka gruta and mahatiktaka gruta we will usually administer in case of a kushta, that is the skin disorders, as it is having the kushtagna karma, and pushanuga churna for the purpose of the stoppage of the excessive bleeding during the pradara, that is nothing but the menstruation, will, as it is having the sangrahana karma, we will administer the pushanuga churna.